What's up guys, back at you live with another video. And to start things off today, I got these LED lights off of Amazon. I've had them hanging around forever, and I figured why not throw them in? So I'm gonna do that. Then we'll get on to finishing the bed cage. Do this on your Ranger if you're in the 93 to 97 year range. This light thing up here has got these little tabs. Just pop them loose. There's your light right there. Take one of these guys. Maybe. Let me just rip that open real quick. Alright. Holy cow, how hard is it to get one of these out? Alright, there it is. One of these little LEDs. Stick it right there. Perfect. That's gonna be hot because it's on. Ow! Yeah, that's really hot. Hold on. Just like that, you got a cool white LED light in your vehicle. If you put the light in and it doesn't work, take it out and flip it over and put it back in, because LEDs are polarity sensitive, so if the positive and negative are backwards, it won't work. So you need to turn around, put it back in. Anyways, let's get on with it and get back to the shop and start working on finishing up this bed cage. Guys, so I got in the shop tonight and I just got started working. I got excited. So I'll go ahead and show you the progress I've made, and then I'll show you what else I'm gonna do. So I put the shock up here on this side, and I got this side all welded up. And then I finished up welding this side. And then to kind of cover up, not really cover it up, but just add some style, I guess, I took some cardboard and I just cut it out and I made this little template, and that's gonna sit right on top of there. Just clean it up a little bit, give it some more style, and I'm gonna put a few dimple dies in this, and it'll add a little bit of strength to this upper tube since I notched right through the middle of it. So I will get to transfer this on some sheet metal, get a rough cut, and then fit it up. What the heck? Anyways, get it rough cut, and then I'll kind of, let's make sure this fits the other side too. That sits right on there. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I'll get this put on some sheet metal, and then we will be on our way. Alright guys, check it out. I got this cover plate, whatever you want to call it, cut out. Sits on there like that. Clean it up a little bit up here. So before I weld that on though, before I weld it on, I'm gonna do probably like 2 dimple dies, like one on each side, one right here, one right here. So to do that, kind of line it up where I like it. It's pretty decent, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna line it up nice, and then I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put my dimple dies, do that, and I'll catch back up. Okay, so I got this plate all nice and deburred. You're gonna wanna make sure you deburr your plates before you do any sort of dimple dies or whatever else. So I'll show you my dimple die setup. It's a custom one-off piece. You know, these are very hard to come by. So basically what I did was, we have these balls that we use. I work in like an ornamental fab shop, so we use these balls on our balusters. Basically what I did was I took an 1.5 inch tube, or maybe it's 2 inch. I don't remember. Something. And this is an 1.5 inch ball, and I drilled a 1.25 inch hole in the plate. So basically what happens here is you put that right there, put that on there. This ball will self-center itself, and then I've got this rod running through it. And then with this very sophisticated persuasion device, you pretty much just have at it until you get yourself a dimple die. So I'm gonna do that on both of these. I'll show you what it ends up looking like. You have it. There's my cheap, simple way of doing some dimple dies. Add some style and a bit of structural rigidity to this plate. It's not nearly as nice as like a actual dimple die set, but this is free, and regular dimple die sets are like $100, so can't really beat free. So this side's ready to go. Now all I gotta do is do that side and then tack it on. She'll be looking straight. So back to it. So here we go. Here's the progress so far. Got these plates all welded on, stitch welded them up on both sides. So pretty much my shocks are ready to go in. I got my buddy, he's gonna help me fill them up with nitrogen, and yeah, it's gonna be rad. This thing's gonna be a mobber. Oh yeah. But I don't know, I think it turned out all right. I'm not crazy about it, this whole deal. I don't know, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I think it turned out decent, but how it goes when you build stuff, at least I've noticed when I build stuff, I notice all the little imperfections and all the stuff that I do wrong, but other people seem to think it's nice. So maybe it's a nice thing that I made. Not sure yet. Okay, it's getting kind of late, so I'll probably catch you guys in the morning. Alright people, so I'm out here in the desert with the truck, and as you can see behind me, I got it all finished up. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. So here it is. I lost a taillight on my way over here. I was mobbing so hard. So anyways, here it is. I still got to finish painting some stuff, but I kind of finished it up and I was like, man, let's go for a test drive. So I've been out here driving around for probably like, I don't know, 20 minutes or something. Out here on these roads, they're pretty hard pack, a lot of rocks, so it's not super smooth, but the Ranger's doing it, man. Anyways, so I think in the last part I was welding these on or tacking these top plates on, but here they are. And then I got the shocks mounted up. I got these rubber bushings and these hose clamps from the guys over at Dixie 4-Wheel Drive. If you're in the St. George area, hit those guys up, they're awesome. This is actually like a Fox kit, so that's pretty cool. Fox boy. Anyways, so I've just been out here driving, testing it out. Turned out pretty decent, I think. My shocks are pretty stiff, like real stiff. Like this is my whole body weight on it. So I don't know what's up with that, but probably because there's like no weight back here. Anyways, I'm gonna keep driving. I'm gonna see if I can get some shots. Yeah. That's a pretty successful shakedown test. I was hoping to find some jumps or something, but man, that road is so rough and anything really. Like It's all just super hard packed, super chopped up, tons of washboards. It's just not a good time. So there's tons of big rocks in the road. So I'm gonna go try and find some jumps and some good trails where I can test this thing out. But yeah, check out this view up here, guys. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, golden hour. Whoa! Don't crash, that'd be bad. Alright, we're good, it's not a cop. Alright. Some little driving clips in there, not too much. Make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, I see a lot of you guys are watching, but you're not subscribed, so make sure you go down, click that subscribe button. Helps me out a ton, you know. That's what I'm here for, guys. Just here to have fun, make videos for you guys to watch and like. And if you like it, subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe already. Anyways, so I'm just gonna cruise on back to my house. Just gonna cruise on back to my house right now. Yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Got the bed cage done and did a little bit of testing. Next video, make sure you tune in because we're gonna be hitting some harder trails in this. We're gonna be hitting some jumps, see how she performs. So, see you later.